Sunday, more likely in the north. Now for Friday, this is how things look at the moment, with this little weather front here just indicating where the bulk of the showers are right now. And that's across Northern Ireland, down through Wales and heading through towards the southwest, with a fair scattering of showers elsewhere too. This area of rain just still pushing its way up through in towards southern counties of England in the east there. Otherwise, it's a bright if a showery end to the day. Some heavy showers in the west and still with hail, sleet and snow mixed in, quite a number of them, notably in the north, but in some other regions too. We see a change in the shower distribution overnight as inland it becomes dry and clear, leaving some showers draped around these western coasts, around the north coast of Northern Ireland, up around Scotland and down through the eastern coastal districts, some blowing a fair ways inland and still a chance of hail, sleet and snow with some of them. That'll keep the temperatures around the coastal areas just above freezing, and we're likely to escape ground frost in the more southeastern districts too. Elsewhere, particularly down through the spine of the country, a cold night, ground frost around, and temperatures dotting down to freezing in a few spots right up into Scotland. And here we could well see some rather icy conditions for first thing in the morning. Looking ahead through the weekend, that low pressure area that's bringing us the cool, showery weather from the north, it begins to nudge away, and instead we see high pressure coming on the scene for the south, at least for the second half of the weekend. Saturday morning looks like starting off bright inland, if rather on the cold side. Of course, we've got those wintry showers around the north, the east and the west coast, and they'll tend to build up inland during the daytime. Though Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, down through western England and Wales, not as many showers as today and probably not as heavy. The majority of the heavy showers are likely to be across here in the east, with fairly bright weather, if rather on the cloudy side, and dry conditions in the west later in the day. Southern Scotland, not too many showers, but those showers ganging together in the north to give some longer spells of rain with snow on the mountains. Still a cool feel across many areas, though temperatures may be a little up on today. Frosty weather overnight into Sunday. Looks like most of the showery weather in the north, some showers moving into central Britain late in the day.